And we are live. चलो क्या था वर्ड्स ओके हाँ the Lord is my shepherd, there is nothing I shall want. And with this we start the second episode of the Big Brain Time podcast. My name is Kaleem.
My name's Ashish, and thank you for tuning in, guys. If you're seeing us on YouTube or if you're listening to us on Spotify, you're welcome. I mean, this is us. काफी time हो गया नहीं कलीम? 2 weeks.
Easily 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Last week का थोड़ा सा we couldn't get the podcast out because of some reasons that we'll come to
Yeah,
if we want to. That is.
I think we can discuss, like, I was busy with my work, you were busy with something, family issues, I guess.
Yeah, dude. Family, unwanted guest showed up unannounced ekdam se. So I was thinking ki Saturday, they came on Saturday, okay. So I was expecting chale jayenge by the time it's Sunday. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, that's how guests are usually, right? And
And
nahi gaye.
संडे तो उसके साथ बिजी था ना, अजरबैजान जीपी.
Hmm?
संडे तो तू उसके साथ बिजी था ना, अजरबैजान बाईजान जीपी था. क्या यार, अजरबैजान जीपी. हाँ.
As Azerbaijan GP.
Yeah.
क्या रेस, क्या ही रेस थी. We can talk about it बाद में, but सबसे पहले तो like let's clear the room ना कि पिछला week missing था, but we plan on doing it every week.
Yeah,
So
up say
let's
it will
catch some
be
traction.
regular. I think we will post every Sunday from now on. Like Saturday record करेंगे, Sunday upload करेंगे. And मेरे दिमाग में अजरबैजान जीपी किस लिए अटका हुआ है, क्योंकि मैंने एक ट्वीट देखा था.
Okay.
It was saying कि ये अजरबैजान रेस क्यों कर रहा है, अजरबैजान तो क्रिकेटर थे. And because of that I cannot forget कि Azerbaijan GP
So
had happened last Sunday. And it was so funny to me because it caught me off guard कि हाँ चल रहा है, ठीक है, ट्रेंडिंग पे है. And the first thing that I say is that कि ये रेस पे क्यों है, ये तो क्रिकेटर थे. Am I missing something?
yeah, but anyhow, I saw the race. I'm a big Formula One fan. In case if I haven't mentioned it, abhi tak podcast pe. I've been seeing F1 since Schumacher won in 2004 World Championship. So काफी time हो गया देखते हुए. He won for Ferrari, dude. It's been quite some time.
uh,
So
like
race
Schumacher
was
से
really good.
Schumacher
Yeah.
से याद आता है, like शिनचैन में था. आई थिंक शिनचैन शिनचैन पता नहीं कैसा प्रोनाउंसिएशन है. आई थिंक इट्स शिनचैन, राइट? तो
हाँ हाँ.
उसमें they used to, like, the Hindi version of the show, they used to say कि माइकल सचुमाका से भी मैं ज्यादा तेज हूँ. Like,
Hmm.
these are random things that stay in my mind and I can't forget, like Michael Sachumaka, because I couldn't spell his name, I think.
I
Yeah.
remember Schumacher ka reference when you remember Disney Pixar Cars came out.
हाँ.
उसमें था like at the last I think कोई post credit scene में I remember that I was a kid तब देखा था. I was like wow, this is amazing. But
चल अब डायरेक्ट
also
मुद्दे
coming
पे
to
आते
this,
हैं,
I
like.
think I
देखिए.
think
हम्म.
अपने जो हमारे listeners हैं जो viewers हैं उनको बताते हैं आज थोड़ा सा कि हम हैं कौन एक्चुअली लाइक वो किसको ट्यून इन करके किसका देख रहे हैं किसका सुन रहे हैं. Who are we?
तू
So they
स्टार्ट कर
should.
सकता है, because I have no clue how to describe myself. Like, क्या journalism student at max, like trying to hustle and
अच्छा
survive.
okay. I have an idea how we can do that.
हम्म.
एक दूसरे से लाइक हम जर्नलिस्ट स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Let's ask the most random question we can. ठीक है.
हम्म.
Let's do like say 3 questions each. And anyone like whatever that comes to your mind सबसे पहले एकदम candidly we can answer that.
Okay. Okay, first thing is why we are doing this.
First thing, chal, I'll go first. I think out of kind of boredom and to learn something new and explore, maybe, and possibly there's quite a huge market in this, so that really got me into it, and I wanted to see where we can go with it,
Hmm.
and I guess abhi to we're just starting out, so expectations itni high nahi hai, but let's just keep doing it, keep grinding thoda bahut.
Hmm.
It might yield in the future.
I think
What about
we
you?
should tell our viewers that we are not like the best of friends. Like we legit
Exactly.
met because we wanted to do a podcast. We pitched it to our university and they wanted a PG-13. I mean, we can do a PG-13, but at least thoda to freedom though. Like thoda to let us
Exactly.
go, like hit the boundaries. हम अभी भी हम
Hmm.
PG-16 टाइप ही कर रहे हैं because we cannot, you know, edit it properly. मेरा machine बहुत old है. Ashish edits for Spotify, I edit for YouTube, and my machine is too old for me to censor stuff. It takes a lot of
Mhm.
time. So we are legit doing it because we wanted to do something. We are not the best of friends, and
Hmm.
you know, as listeners or viewers, फायदा तुम्हारे लिए ये है कि we are two people growing together, and obviously कुछ like differences आएंगे कभी ना कभी, and तुम्हें ई लफड़ा देखने को मिलेगा. So it's
Full love scene drama free का एकदम पता है.
yeah.
We could do that पता है. Like अगर हमें if you're feeling way too irrelevant, we could do that.
Yeah, we can start like thoda I don't know Deepak Kalal जैसे, you know, Insta life.
Talk about it.
You know, you can say
Last week.
some racist stuff and I can say some racist stuff and it will pick up quickly. Like it just depends on कौन सा word सही है use करने में. If I'm abusing
Whatever
you
that
properly,
sells.
yeah. So
अच्छा
like
okay.
I think we should, you know, skip this part. Like we can do this every episode, discuss थोड़ा
Be
थोड़ा अपने
rich.
बारे में. And we should directly focus on today's episode. Today's episode is titled "The Devil Made Me Do It." अगर तुम click किए हो तो तुमको पता चल जाएगा. It's Devil Made Me Do It. We are going to discuss Conjuring 3. That's why I started with a Bible verse because it really hit me. कि, okay, you know, the Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I should want. Like it really hit me, and I was like, okay, I should write it down. And yeah, I'm legit carrying a diary from now for every movie that I watch, so that I can pen down thoughts about it.
Wait. I carry my notes on my phone.
You know, I don't keep notes. Like I don't save things on my notes because when I open my phone and then I'm automatically browsing something. So I'm losing track of the movie, and I don't want to lose anything because कभी-कभी इतना छोटा-छोटा detail होता है.
You lose your train of thought. Like पहले जो चीजें सोची हैं,
Yeah,
you totally go
and
deviate yourself. हो जाते हैं.
I legit write down rubbish कि कोई भी ऐसा coherent sentence नहीं है. It's legit one word dot question mark or exclamation mark. Yeah, okay. So like your first thoughts on the movie. Did you like it? Did you hate it?
Okay, so I'll be real with you. I do not like scary movies, especially अगर मैं अकेले रात को late night देख रहा हूँ तो. If I've ever seen a scary movie, it would mostly be because like किसी friend ने जबरदस्ती बिठाया है और वो मेरे को बांध करके बोल रहा है कि मूवी देख साथ. उससे कभी मन नहीं किया, but like I thought कि चलो देख लेते हैं. It will be something fresh. I see it, and on the most minute thing जो minute सा scare होएगा ना, I would lose my shit over it. Like I would collapse almost. I couldn't see it without pauses, but like I had to pause it mostly because I'm a scaredy cat when it comes to the scary movies. But this genre is not exactly my forte. I get easily scared. But it was worthwhile. But like watching it, I've seen the first two parts, and I'm not sure exactly कि this will be the conclusion of the Conjuring series, to be honest.
Seventh movie, है ना? Like in the entire franchise, this is the seventh movie. Like there is 3
Yeah.
Annabelle movies. There is like La Llorona. There is what The Nun, and there are 3 Conjuring movies. There's like 7 or 8 movies, and I think this is the 7th movie in the series. I
Yeah.
was not scared at all. Like I'm the guy who gets scared of scary movies. I don't forget ever. Like when the last time, like I remember getting shit scared watching a movie called Krishna Cottage. It's a Hindi movie. It's a really old, like 2006 Hindi movie. and I
Mhm.
got so scared watching it as a kid. Like I was 9 years old or 10 years old, and I pissed my pants at night because I couldn't forget about it, and I had nightmares about
Mhm.
it. So even
And
today,
what was that movie? Just where like there was a witch and
Makdi,
uh,
are you talking?
it was a Hindi movie, yaar.
Yeah, yeah, I think you are talking about Makdi, the which is Shabana Azmi.
Makdi.
Let
Dude,
me tell you
that
the song.
movie.
I think,
I think it sums up almost everyone's childhood.
yeah, yeah,
Like जो
yeah.
हमारे जेल में थे.
Uh,
God, it
I
was
remember the
something.
song. It's like ungli daba ke angutha daba
Yeah.
dungi. Something like that, right? Yeah.
It
Uh,
was very catchy. I used to
yeah.
sing. Kid. No shame admitting that, but
अगर तू YouTube पे इसी गाने को सर्च करेगा, उसके नीचे
hmm,
कमेंट्स तू देखेगा, people are debating like this actress जो भी child actress थी, she grew up and she was doing, I think, human trafficking or something, or she was into prostitution. I don't know, but I
what?
remember reading the comments and people are like going bonkers debating like whether she was like in really terrible financial condition or why was she doing it. They are having their
Hmm.
own debate under this music video, and I just went there for nostalgia just to chill. Like I remember the song, I want to listen to it, and the people are having debate, so I spent like half of the night just watching their like comments and chilling. Yeah, okay, this must have happened. Then I googled, and this was like 2 years ago. Reading the comment section, I don't know if they're still debating around this or not.
God, dude. I thought like she got kicked out in relevancy mostly because, or I didn't see any of her other works
I think
as
she
a child
is.
actor.
I think she was very active in
Okay, this is
Telugu
another
cinema.
debate. Maybe हम comment section की तरह लंबा खींच सकते हैं.
She is active
But
in Telugu cinema, as far as I have idea, based on the comments that I read 2 years ago. So let me come to Conjuring 3. I was not scared at all. Like this is probably the first scary movie where I was not scared. I didn't even have a joke. Like I was watching it like, huh, this looks funny. Because from the beginning, like this is probably the first Conjuring movie जिसमें like there is no build up. They directly go
yeah,
into the that क्या बोलते हैं उसको भूत भगाने को है यार इंग्लिश में पता नहीं.
exorcism.
Yeah, they directly go into the exorcism, and the kid
Mhm.
like वो spoiler alert, people, spoiler alert, we haven't discussed anything deep. If you are reading the title, I think you have figured out that we are going to discuss the movie. So let me come to the part what I was discussing. बच्चा जो होता है, they are trying to perform exorcism, वो ऐसे stretch होता है, bend होता है. It looks funny, it doesn't look scary, it just looks
Right?
funny.
But like starting में the kid snaps his neck एकदम उल्टा and I
Yeah,
was like,
yeah, yeah,
no,
yeah.
no. I was like, no, please don't do that. The sound that it made, I am
Yeah,
like,
the
please
sound
don't
was
do
like
this.
grabbed my attention very quickly, like okay.
Mhm.
And
Conjuring, I think all the Conjuring movies, they've got one thing pretty spot on is the sound that they use.
yeah,
The
man,
background sounds and the music.
I think
The score is pretty good.
the first one came out in 2014, 2013. Probably I was
Yeah.
13, 14 years old when I watched it.
Mm.
उसमें एक सीन है कि एक लाश लटका रहता है, like
Yeah. Teresa.
हाँ, and वो जब कैमरा ऐसा पैन होता है ऊपर की तरफ, and you're like, oh, ये क्या था.
Just happened.
So that is something from the first movie you won't forget. But इस movie में things are very forgetful. Like ऐसा कोई iconic सा scene नहीं है. And
Yeah. It's been a week मुझे देखे movie and there's not exactly many scenes जो मैं अभी मतलब if I try to recall ना,
yeah,
not many scenes come to my head. Like one scene जहाँ पे he's all bloody and he's walking down the street.
yeah,
Yeah, he might hurt someone. That was good because his eyes were pale.
yeah,
That was pretty good. And mostly Joe scenes like the scary scenes too. Scary is very lightly. I'm using scary very lightly here. But there were just very few of those that I could find beach beach mein. Like there would be utter silence, no jump scares or anything. It's just in the moment wala koi cheez. Like,
Yeah.
you know, the what was the name of the that kid, the one who got who failed on the exorcism and uske upar wo baad mein
Huh, I can't
the
remember
devil
his name.
went inside his body. What was his name?
Can't remember. Let's just say he is the protagonist. No, he is not the
Uh,
protagonist. Protagonists are
he
like,
isn't, but he's the lead support, you could say.
yeah, yeah, yeah. The thing is
Like,
that उसका शक्ल
hmm,
जब तू देखेगा and movie जब
hmm,
end होता है and the real life people are shown, stark contrast. Like,
just disappointment. It's
मतलब
so disappointing.
ट्राई भी नहीं किया, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने ट्राई भी नहीं किया कि ऐसे थोड़ा दिख जाए ये लोग. They are different. Even their hair is different. Nothing matches about that.
Like, at least try. लग भी नहीं रहा था कि like they tried hard enough on the like, you know, the actualization करने का जो part होता है where you try to make it seem like it's real. Except for obviously the lead characters, उनका तो they've
Yeah.
been spot on starting से, I think at least.
Patrick Wilson and
But
I don't know what the actress name is, like the lead.
Mhm. Okay.
So I was saying movie was really fast. It doesn't give you time to process things. समझ रहे? पहले
Exactly.
exorcism आया, फिर इस पे transfer हुआ. That scene lasts for like 5 minutes, and then he has murdered already. Then they are like,
It all happened way too quick.
yeah, and like he has murdered already. ऊपर से the main actor जो भी है, Lauren and Ed को heart attack आता है. He wakes up from the hospital. Already वो जेल में है. So
It seemed like it was all very convenient, you know, for
yeah,
the plot. It seemed a bit too convenient, so to speak.
and the thing is that it's very understandable कि the movie is so fast because एक ही तो case के ऊपर based है, and the
Mhm.
dialogues are even the dialogues are delivered so fast. जब वो आता है वो murder कर देता है and they go
Mhm.
to his attorney and they have a conversation, right? तो उसमें उसको
Right.
बोलते हैं कि ये डेविल का पोजेशन था, तो ये अपील करो कोर्ट में. And how do they say it? Like they say it like the court believes in God because oath लेने तो बोलते हैं. It's time they believe in the devil, the existence of the devil. ऐसे पंच के ऊपर पंच आता है, एक भी मतलब डायलॉग में इनको रुकना नहीं है, इनको डिलीवर करना
Like
ही है.
those dialogues could have been used to make more depth in the scene.
Yeah,
जैसे exact scene के बाद she's like कि you couldn't make me believe in it, so how are you going to make the rest of the court believe in your story, right?
yeah, and then they
कि,
show her the
and
Annabelle.
then
तो
they just jump to the scene where she's a believer now, apparently,
yeah,
because she went on a dinner
yeah,
and she met Annabelle, and
and
we know Annabelle obviously.
the thing is that अगर तुम मूवी खत्म होगा, they have left it too much to the audience to do the research. Like मूवी खत्म होने के बाद
हाँ.
मुझे YouTube देखना पड़ा कि हाँ how much did they follow the case. तो उसमें तुम जाओगे तो इसके अटॉर्नी ने कभी like they didn't go with that story कि he was in possession of devil when he did it. They said it that he did it in self defense. That's why he got a
Right.
like 6 साल का sentence or something. So like इतना फिक्शनलाइज कर दिया कि अब तुमको पता भी नहीं कितना परसेंट रियल है कितना परसेंट फेक है.
We couldn't do it because that would stray away from the reality ना, if they would have kept pursuing. फिर वो
Maybe
उनके narrative से against चली जाती चीज and it wouldn't have been a scary movie.
maybe like they could have done it like a court drama or something, like 30 minute का मूवी कर दो, शॉर्ट फिल्म कंज्यूरिंग 3.
Still, no, I think they did whatever they could and उसके बाद हमने ratings देख ही लिया. Ratings were well deserved for
कितना कितना है
people
रेटिंग?
who don't know. I'll repeat them. Metacritic gave it 53, Rotten Tomatoes gave it 57, and IMDb gave it 6.5.
Obviously it was the
IMDb,
weakest movie in
uh,
the series, like uh,
it somewhere it failed to deliver the same impact जो पुरानी movies का
क्योंकि
था,
डायरेक्टर भी तो
especially.
अलग है. डायरेक्टर अलग है इन द सेंस, जो पहला डायरेक्टर है he directed Aquaman. So
Hmm.
he has already like the experience of directing horror films. उसने पहले भी 4-5 डायरेक्ट कर लिए, फिर ही डायरेक्टेड Aquaman for Warner Bros. But the new director, इसने कुछ और मूवी डायरेक्ट किया, पता नहीं कौन है, and they gave it to him, कर दिया मूवी. And the thing is that Conjuring is like अपना इनका जो सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स है, you need to have idea. जब वो जाते हैं
Yeah.
उसके पास, फादर कैसनर के पास, like
Hmm.
the father of that witch,
Right.
his name is Father Kessner, right? तो उसके पास
Yeah.
जाने से पहले, right before that, they have a discussion. तीनों, लोरेन, एड, इनका असिस्टेंट, और इनके साथ जो फादर रहता है एग्जॉर्सिज्म करता है, they have a discussion with him
The
and they
guy
mention.
who, right? Why?
नहीं 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 नहीं, उससे लाइक उसको मिलने से पहले, वो फादर कैसनर है जिसका हो जाता है, बट उससे
Okay.
मिलने से पहले, राइट बिफोर हिज इंट्रोडक्शन, they have a discussion, the 4 people, Ed, Lorraine, इनका जो एशियन असिस्टेंट रहता है, they don't even give his name or something, like they gave him total 5 minutes का scene if you count.
Oh,
And there is another father जो पहले एक्सोर्सिज्म करते
the
हैं इनके
Asian
साथ.
guy. You're talking about the Asian guy, right?
एशियन गाय जो कैमरामैन है,
हाँ.
और एक और फादर है जो सबसे बिगिनिंग में एक्सोर्सिज्म करता है, दे फेल एट इट. फादर के सर पे प्लेट लगता है और वो गिर जाता है ना, इफ यू रिमेम्बर. सो
I remember.
तो ये फादर मेंशन करता है द रैम कल्ट एंड समथिंग समथिंग. नाउ इफ यू हैव सीन लाइक द एनाबेल मूवी, तो तुमको आइडिया होगा कि रैम कल्ट कौन, एंड
हाँ.
कौन ऐसा इंसान है जिसने ऐसे सातों का सात मूवी देखा है और उसको याद है. इट्स ए हॉरर फिल्म. इट इज नॉट इवन सेलिब्रेटेड लाइक
MCU नहीं follow कर रहे हो. It's not DC universe.
yeah, it is not celebrated like a festival. like हाँ, हॉरर मूवी आया है, 10 दोस्त बैठ के देखते हैं, भूल जाते हैं. हॉरर मूवीज आर लाइक दैट. मे बी 10 लोग
Yeah.
सिनेमा हॉल चले जाएंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा, बट इट इज वेरी
Just for the
फॉरगेटफुल.
scares.
या एंड इन्होंने इतना अपना अंदर से छोटा छोटा रेफरेंस डाल दिया दैट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट लेटर. मैं सोचा कौन है रैम कल्ट, कौन है फादर कैसनर, ऐसा तुमको सोचना पड़ता है कि किसी को भी नाम मेंशन कर दिया एंड दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस हिम नेक्स्ट सीन. एक बैकग्राउंड नहीं देना ठीक से.
Expect you to understand अपने आप से and try to relate it with their universe के stories से.
हाँ,
But
एंड
it really did not work out even for me. मेरे को भी इतना ज़्यादा I am like, okay, so apparently this guy was important, but now he died. Should I
and
care? We all ask ourselves ये question कि do I really care?
हाँ, लाइक शुड आई केयर, कौन है ये एंड कौन है रैम
हाँ.
कल्ट. आधे तो भक्त लोग परेशान हो जाएंगे कि रैम कल्ट बोल रहे हैं, किसका नाम ले रहे हैं. रैम इज ए शीप, जो जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, बलि चढ़ाते हैं सैटेनिस्ट. रैम इज ए शीप,
हाँ.
नॉट लॉर्ड राम. सो भक्त लोग परेशान मत होना, वार्नर ब्रोस का कोई स्टूडियो भी नहीं है इंडिया में, आई डोंट थिंक सो. एंड इनका ना,
Don't cancel Kaleem on Twitter again, please. Please. That was a joke.
अभी मैंने एक चीज देखा लाइक इन माय नोट, कि जब वो मर्डर करता है द गाय, उस जब वो घर पे घुसता है अपने, उसके पूरे चेहरे पे स्वेट रहता है. फिर वो जो मुंह धोता है, फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा स्वेट रहता है. जब मर्डर करता है स्वेट गायब हो जाता है. मर्डर करते वक्त आई एम सेइंग, देन ही गोज आउट, तब उसके चेहरे पे, हाथ पे पूरा ब्लड है. कंसिस्टेंसी भी नहीं है कहीं कि क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है. they didn't care, they just wanted to earn money and they.
She's so many भी शायद I also missed it somewhere, I think. But yeah, वो चीज consistency का may be और correct. I'm
and
not so sure.
क्या बोले यार, हाँ, I forgot, I was talking about the dialogue part. हर dialogue is a punch, like समझ रहा है तू. जब there is a scene, वो पुलिस स्टेशन जाते हैं ना फाइल निकलवाने के लिए, एंड वो डिटेक्टिव टेक्स देम टू द जंगल. तो डिटेक्टिव पूछता है कि लाइक व्हाई आर यू स्टॉपिंग हर, आर यू स्कैर्ड दैट शी कांट डू इट. तो एड रिप्लाई करता है, आई थिंक शी, आई बिलीव शी कैन, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू स्टॉप हर. समझ रहे हो कि मतलब कहीं एक जगह ऐसा स्लो नहीं है. It's like they have become very cocky about it that they are good at their job. But why? Like क्यों इतने सारे dialogue are just punch after punch? I don't get it. Like it doesn't appeal to me कि इतना ये मतलब cocky हो चुके हैं कि they don't care even about the writing. And दूसरा thing is that कि did Patrick Wilson gain some weight for the role? Because वो जब ऐसे इस hospital में उठता है, you can see that his
The
throat
double chin.
है ना, like the double chin. It looked weird. Like क्या एजेड दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या कर रहे थे ये लोग.
Aged भी लग नहीं रहा था वो इतना.
हाँ.
But I think somewhere uh, Farmiga, I guess that's her name, the lead for Lorraine. I
हम्म.
think she got the aging factor pretty well. Uska
ये
aging
yeah, she
did
looks
look
yeah,
actually impactful. Like they tried, they did something.
yeah. With Ed
Like it
they
was on
just gave
makeup,
him
but
थोड़ा
they did.
weight.
Hanji?
With Ed they just gave him थोड़ा weight and nothing else. Like
Hmm. And
आंखों में चेहरे पे
also
मेकअप
they
नहीं
also
डाला.
gave him a heart
हार्ट
attack.
या
So deal with that if you may.
वो
And
पूरा सीन जो है like the end battle scene जब वो X लेके घूम रहा है, like it feels
oh
like it
dude,
was
no, it felt like कि कोई X-Men का movie देख रहा हूँ मैं. कि like इतना dramatize कर दिया उस चीज को कि
that
it was just it was a bit too much to take. कि नहीं,
I
I'm not
think
watching a drama. I am supposed to be watching a scary movie.
yeah.
यहाँ पे scary क्या है उसके बाद and then she just snaps into like pieces. And those sounds again, the sounds are the things that like I'm like, nahi, please,
डेविल का
please
चेहरा
stop.
दिखाते भी है क्या? Like I didn't see the devil properly. I think इसका वो
I
था,
don't
clone
think
था.
दिखाया था.
The devil was a clone of her, right? When the devil murders her, like
हाँ, but with very weird eyes and teeth.
yeah, it was ugly. जो भी हो.
अजीब था थोड़ा
Oh,
सा
weird.
but
I see याद आया that like huge lady that tries to murder Ed. Like that
God,
really,
that was a lady.
yeah, it was not a dude, it was a
No,
lady. जब
man, it was it was something. So shit,
it
that
looked
was
like
crazy.
straight out of a Resident Evil movie, I would say.
Ah,
जब
like
वो भाग के आती है.
Resident Evil, as in like अभी Resident Evil 3 का कोई remake था. If you've played the game, there was like literally a character just like that. नहीं 2 में Resident Evil 2 remake में
Okay.
exactly the same.
अभी तो ये
But
भी आया था ना Resident Evil Village, जिसमें मदर.
Village Part 8, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, जिसमें क्या है, लेडी डी बोलता हूँ मैं उसको, लेडी
हाँ,
डेमिस्ट्रिगस और समथिंग. लाइक शी इज ए रियली ह्यूज लेडी, इवन
yeah.
even taller than Thanos, I think. Like character comparison chart
No,
है.
really?
Yeah, I think she is taller than Thanos. I saw a character comparison chart
Reality
and
can be often disappointing, I guess.
people are going bonkers about her. Like there are fan like posters for her. There are like people trying to make OnlyFans out of her.
You can't blame them.
I mean,
Monetize कुछ भी हो सकता है, dude. It's 2021. People pay for literally anything. नहीं,
hmm,
the game is out, right? अभी तो I haven't got my hands on it अभी तक.
the game is
I don't
out.
know
Like
if I
it's
can get it
been
on my system.
2 months, I think.
Wait, इतना हो गया?
Hmm.
I guess
मैंने
मेरे को काफी time हो
YouTube
गया
पे
फिर अगर.
थोड़ा थोड़ा देखा था गेम प्ले. Like it was nice. Like they connected the story with the Resident Evil 7, and like it
Okay.
was a good conclusion, and I think they are going to make part 9. It will be based on Ethan का daughter. Ethan is the main character in Resident Evil 7. Okay.
I think they should have like made an end part. अभी like काफी लंबा series हो गया. It needs a good conclusion. But
Hmm.
they more money, so Capcom is going to do what they do best, which is
नहीं,
milking.
इसका conclusion was quite satisfying. Like it's like
Eight.
हाँ 8 का they gave a quite satisfying conclusion, and they explain you stuff. like 7 में क्या हुआ and 8 में क्या हुआ. I can't tell you the everything because तेरे लिए पूरा spoiler हो जाएगा. But they legit give explanation and they connected it to like पुराने Resident Evil games जितने हैं उनके साथ भी थोड़ा थोड़ा connect करते हैं. And like
Right.
खत्म हो जाता है, पूरा स्टोरी खत्म होता है and then it's like an MCU movie post credit scene देते हैं थोड़ा, so that like,
Mhm.
and the thing is that it ends with something like the father's story is over, next the
हाँ,
daughter's story, they give something conclusion like that.
okay, फिर तो मतलब it's sure फिर तो आएगा next part. But
Definitely.
anyhow, I just hope it's not anything like The Last of Us Part 2.
Oh.
Let's not go there. That is just going to make me cry. Anyhow, like we said pehle ki we don't know, we are not exactly the best of friends. I did not know, he did not know that we play games. That's more.
No, I actually don't play games because I can't
I
afford a
don't
good
get
machine.
time.
Yeah, टाइम तो है ही नहीं, एक तो इतना पढ़ाई करना होता है अलग से, because
Mhm.
कॉलेज का तो है and you have to figure out things yourself because we
Dark
can't.
हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा
Yeah,
if we start talking about it. Let's not.
yeah, let's skip that. Like we can't talk about our college. At least degree हाथ में आ जाए and then we can like .pdf वाला degree आ जाए and then we can shit on our college as much as we want without having to
Or
fear.
praise. It could
Yeah,
be anything.
yeah. Praise. Like I love my college.
I okay, moving on.
It feels like somebody kept a gun and it's forcing us to say.
Yeah, it's amazing, dude. So what else were we talking about? Moving back, let's try and conclude the movie.
Yeah.
Conclusion, man. What are
तो
your
कितना?
thoughts?
I would say it was not scary. It
Mm-hmm.
was entertaining in the sense कि अगर तुमको कभी टाइम पास करना है and you want to know कि आगे क्या हुआ इन दोनों के स्टोरी में, एड एंड लोरेन के स्टोरी में, तो कभी
Mm-hmm.
किसी लेजी संडे तुम खोल के मूवी देखो तो तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. बट इफ यू आर होपिंग कि बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, बहुत मजा होगा, देयर इज लाइक लॉट ऑफ जंप स्केयर्स एंड ऑब्वियस जंप स्केयर्स. द थिंग अबाउट जंप स्केयर्स इज दैट ठीक है, it will give you a jerk, but you know it's coming, so it's not worth
It's
it.
a little bit of pleasure away,
Hmm.
or scariness, if you would like to call that. Um, if I would sum it up, I would say ki I think the initial parts of Conjuring did a way better job at being scary, so to speak. But
Definitely.
if you're saying ki it's not exactly scary, but there's drama and there's plot, they did cover quite a lot of plot in the story. They tried to, at least,
Mhm.
and it was just it felt a little bit rushed. But I don't blame them. They had a specific time. इसमें पता नहीं, I guess they had to make a lot of cuts. I haven't seen the cuts. I haven't gotten around to that, but I just think it could have been, the pace could have been lowered down a little bit. And scariness to exactly here. Jump scares to nahi, but I am more scared of the, like, the more expected things, like जो तुम Conjuring movie देखते expect करो, like all those demonic things, like the body parts moving in ways it shouldn't. It was more like creepier rather than being scarier.
एक चीज मुझे याद आया, like
हाँ.
something really funny is that वो जब जेल में होता है, like the
Hmm.
ending part, and his body is flying legit because the demon
Yeah,
is trying to kill
he's floating in the air.
entire, like the jail people could see, the guards could see, the nurses could see that his body is flying. पीछे तो देख सकते हैं, they are reacting to it.
Yeah, I did see that.
And the
More than
movie,
the guy with like, are they seeing what is happening? What is going on?
and movie comes to an end and they write it कि जो था जिसको पोजेशन हुआ था, he was jailed for 6 years. अगर तुम्हारे पास इतने सारे आई विटनेस हैं, like I'm saying if it had happened in real life, इतने सारे
Usually कितना अच्छा केस होता वो चीज.
हाँ, so ये दिखाने का क्या जरूरत था, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. इफ यू आर मेकिंग ए
Even
फिक्शनल,
a huge glass shatter, dude. Like
या,
उसके बाद तो समझ आना चाहिए कि it's not
एंड
natural.
द लाइट द लाइट जो,
Light. Oh my
हाँ,
god.
तो देख, अगर तू
Good.
फिक्शन में भी ये लिख रहा है, and there are so
Mm-hmm.
many eyewitness of a demonic possession that a body is flying, फिक्शन में भी तो कोर्ट इसको माफ कर देगा ना.
Could be. But that would deviate again. जो चीज है
नहीं
उनका
नहीं,
actual.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, लाइक दे रोट ए फिक्शन, एंड पूरा
Yeah.
फिक्शन ही है मूवी. दे जस्ट टुक वन केस इन यूएस हिस्ट्री जिसमें कहा गया कि डिमोनिक पोजेशन रखा गया एज ए डिफेंस केस, एंड देन दे डिडंट स्टिक टू इट. They picked it
Yeah.
from this, right? It's not just Ed and Lorraine का case. They picked it because the name is so catchy. The Devil Made Me Do It. मैं मूवी बना और इसलिए नहीं रहा हूँ कि
About it is.
मेरे पास स्टोरी है, मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ कि बिकॉज इट साउंड्स गुड. द डेविल मेड मी डू इट, तो अगर 10 बार बोलेगा तो,
Sounds like it can sell.
या, एंड पूरा मूवी का टाइटल भी ऐसा है, तो कंज्यूरिंग 3 छोटा से लिखा हुआ है एंड डेविल मेड मी डू इट बड़ा से लिखा हुआ
They clearly want your attention on the second of it.
है. या, तो
Anyhow, let's rate it now. Just the
रुक,
way we did first one.
रेटिंग में आता हूँ मैं. मुझे बस इस चीज का रेंट करना है.
You have more
तुम
pet peeves.
तुमने फिक्शन बनाया, you didn't stick to the story because there was no story in reality.
Hmm.
तुमने फिक्शन बनाया, फिक्शन में भी तुम एक्यूरेट नहीं. कि इतने सारे आई विटनेस हैं, इसको माफ हो जाता फिक्शन में. आई एम सेइंग दैट, बट इवन फिक्शन दे आर लाइक, इसको 6 साल का जेल हो गया.
Agar, even if they were trying to, make something believable, they could have just gotten all the guards and all the people जो attention दे रहे थे तब उनको. They could have gotten them off screen,
या,
but they didn't do that either.
या, जो पूरा ऐसा फ्लड लाइट था वो भी इसके ऊपर पड़ रहा था, तो जब लाइट
हाँ.
फट गया, फ्लड लाइट से दिख रहा था कि ये इसका बॉडी उड़ रहा है. चल रेटिंग में, चल 1 2 3 पे, जब 3 आएगा
Okay.
एक साथ, 1 2 3 6 5.
Okay. 5.
मैंने रहम करके 6 दे दिया.
You were being generous today, I see.
Yeah, it was very disappointing. मतलब ऐसा लगा 2 घंटा बर्बाद कर दिया. एंड तूने ये सही कहा कि the story was quite, fast. बिकॉज 2 घंटा
Yeah.
मुझे लगा नहीं था. मैं उठा, मैंने तुझे टेक्स्ट किया कि मैं देख रहा हूँ, एंड बाय द टाइम आई रिप्लाइड बैक टू यू, आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट डन.
It was rushed. Nah, the more I think about it, उतना ज़्यादा मेरे pet peeves होंगे. But anyhow, chuck that. उसके आगे चलते हैं अंश. अच्छा, okay. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Question number 2. What is your most useless talent?
Most useless talent. I think it's this, like I can bend my thumb like this, and when I show it very quickly to people, it appears like I have 6 fingers, but यहाँ like it's appearing normal. So like randomly मैं जाता हूँ लोगों के पास कि देखो मेरे पास 6 fingers हैं, and they like look at it, illusion होता है कि हाँ like 6 लग रहा है, and they count it कि नहीं अरे ये तो 5. So I think that's my most useless talent.
I don't think मेरे पास तो वैसा कुछ भी है. I can say one thing. So like जो bottles, the glass bottles. I do not know if I should say it, but the bottles are locked with the metal cap, right? I can open them with teeth.
Okay.
And I'm very proud about it. More than I should be. I know.
I like जो कैप खुलने वाला सीन होता है, like I mean सीन बोल रहा हूँ, like in movies like क्या था, याद नहीं आ रहा यार.
What about it?
American Pie. American Pie में like there is like an entire scene, right, where she took a bottle and then she opens it with her chest, I would say. I cannot specifically mention. And then they gave it to her again. She opens it with her mouth, and then with her like genitalia, I would say.
Okay, I do not know how you take one one bottle to American Pie, but amazing segue. Acha, moving on now. I want to address something that happened हमारे first episode पे.
Mhm.
You see where I'm going with
Oh, the comments.
it? The comment section. Let me
Yeah,
pop that up because I really liked it and I want to
people
recite it.
like there was like 6 or 7 comments. I followed it for one day and then I was like, "Arey, छोड़ो, इतना energy नहीं है." But thanks to that girl, whatever her name is, she defended you. She was like, at least they
Oh,
are putting up
okay,
their
wait,
face.
wait, wait. Let me
Oh, okay,
go
okay,
to
okay.
मेरे को पूरा प्लॉट में जाने थे.
नहीं नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Let
Like
me
there was a girl who defended you. Then I
mhm.
think we should give her a shout out or thanks, whatever we want to say.
let me pop that up a second. The Big Brain Time podcast. Also, I tried to look up our podcast ऐसे ही randomly,
Mhm.
and the result was pretty high up there, and I was not expecting it on a first episode.
Yeah, like we got how many views? 150
Also,
views on
हमें एक
YouTube.
dislike भी मिला, dude.
Really?
Likes apart, I really like that. कि
I
चलो
mean,
fine, someone was candid enough to do that.
whoever
Wait,
disliked it, I hope I see you in hell.
come on, man, it's okay.
I'm just
Wait,
kidding.
okay. So let me read this out, okay?
Okay, okay.
I'm getting into some drama, some
Mhm.
beef, if you may. This Kaleem guy is really good and natural. Very nice, Kaleem.
Mhm.
That was
Thank you.
that is very nice. क्या बोल सकते हैं? And but the other guy is just speaking with a fake accent. Be yourself, bro. सबसे पहले तो,
Mhm.
are you serious, man? You I don't even want to like say anything against it because like कोई जाने बिना ऐसे अगर एक्सेंट पे बोले, पहली चीज तो हिंदी में एक्सेंट होता है क्या?
God knows. I mean, बोल सकते हैं ना, हिंदी में accent होता है क्या? Now,
ये पता है यार, एक्सेंट तो नहीं होता आई थिंक.
I mean, we
बट
are
चल
dumb
यार,
people.
अगर तेरे को फेक लग रहा है, आई एम सॉरी. तेरे को फेक लग रहा है, मैं कुछ कर तो सकता नहीं उस चीज का. आई एम सॉरी, ओके, प्लीज
Mm.
डोंट गेट ऑफेंडेड. मैंने कोई मेड अप जानबूझ के नहीं किया, बट एट द सेम टाइम वेट, उसके आगे क्या है? वेट, लेट मी गेट थ्रू द एंटायर थिंग.
Mhm.
फेक एक्सेंट वुडंट टेक यू एनीवेयर.
Mhm.
क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं इस चीज पे?
I mean, you can say that at least with my fake accent, it got your attention. Mm.
एग्जैक्टली.
तू
दैट इज सच अ
अपना
गुड वे टू
टाइम
लुक एट
बर्बाद
इट.
कर रहा है रिप्लाई करने में. Like,
यार तूने कमेंट कर दिया, थैंक यू.
yeah, हमारा
सीरियसली.
engagement बढ़ गया.
हमारा इम्प्रेशन रेट हो रहा है कुछ.
हाँ.
सो थैंक यू. बट आई डोंट नो वेयर आई एम गोइंग विद दिस एक्सेंट माय गाय, बट thank you for your attention, and I hope ये episode देख के you can comment the same thing and improve our impression again.
Yeah. I mean, we are not the best of speakers.
Also, we
Yeah.
wanted to give props. So props to Naina. She was another keyboard warrior and defended me like बहुत जोर से in the comment section. If you guys want to read the beef, it's still up on our last video on YouTube. You can follow it up. But thank you, Naina, and I shall remember this one. Okay. I think that's all for the drama we have for
I
today.
mean, we are not the best of speakers. Like, if you see, मुझे कितना time लगा Azerbaijan बोलने में because I was getting confused. Azerbaijan क्या है? And same with Shinchan. I couldn't pronounce it. Like, it's okay. हम फिर भी try कर
And
रहे हैं.
it's okay. People
Yeah.
shouldn't call the other one out on minute चीजें ऐसे तो. It's
Yeah.
not Twitter. You don't have to be offended.
Yeah.
I
Just
mean,
chill. And if you don't
अगर
like it, I mean, we appreciate that you commented, like, but this is something we cannot improve. Like, there are a lot of things we cannot improve. जैसे हमारा editing we cannot improve because we are limited by resources. हम legit ऐसे
yeah,
headphone पे record कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास mic नहीं है. So you can understand our condition.
yeah. But it's not like we won't try, but it's mostly down to down to the fact that we kind of lack the resources,
Yeah,
and we are trying to learn ourselves.
yeah,
We're still young. We've still got time. Maybe in the coming time we'll get better. So abhi ke liye it's all hit and trial. If you guys think we can improve in some certain things which are possible, please, comment section is all for you guys. And Spotify, you can also send us recording files apparently, which I got through. They can do that. Did you know
yeah.
that? Your
I had no
listeners,
idea.
they can send you voice notes. I
Okay,
recently got to know about it, and it's so fascinating. Acha,
that's
so
really good.
anyways, you guys can give us suggestions, anything that you want that we can improve upon, and we definitely try to do that. One important one was when someone said we should make clips of our
Yeah,
segments, though there's a abhi drama segment for 5 minutes, we can cut it and make a different segment out of that and post it on a different channel, something like that. So we're still opening to incoming ideas, and we're not doing our best abhi tak though, but we're still trying. We're still getting there.
and if we do create a channel for the segment, it will be on Ashish's channel. You can check it out. हम लोग post करेंगे. We will try to do it, and
We
what
have
we
to
will
make
do
a
is that
channel.
हम
But
क्या
I,
करेंगे
I, I get
कि
that.
संडे को पूरा एपिसोड डालेंगे and then like on Monday we will drop the segments, so whichever you want to check. प्लस यूट्यूब पे टाइम स्टैम्प भी डालेंगे. हमने ये भी पढ़ा था, तुम लोग टाइम स्टैम्प नहीं डालते हो, बहुत आलसी हो. हाँ, हम लोग आलसी हैं, इसलिए हम यूट्यूब कर रहे हैं. And I think with this we
इसलिए
can end
हमें
the
इवन
episode.
हमें खुद. हाँ जी.
I think with this we can end the episode. I mean, you can give your comments
Sure,
and then we can end
definitely.
with this.
I was just going to conclude it कि मतलब the negativity is easier to find in a lot of things, and if you look past it, कि जैसे people didn't like my accent or anything, it's fine. You don't really have to. I mean, it's your call if you like it or if you don't. But at the same time, you do realize that we're still we've not made it abhi tak kahin pe. We're still in the learning at the start of our progress. So it's just negativity can be toned down a little bit, and I'm not saying you should, but it's my opinion, I guess. Ki, some things people just say ऐसे for the heck of it, but sometimes maybe you should avoid that. Things can hurt people.
Yeah,
So yeah.
and I think I would say कि chill करो यार. लॉकडाउन पे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, लोगों के घर वाले मर
You
रहे हैं.
know,
तुमको इंटरनेट में भड़ास निकालना है, हाँ निकालो, सही है. बट
bhadas nikal lo, dude, but like you don't have to make the other person feel bad about themselves, or
yeah,
like, or you're a high up there, or कोई superiority inferiority complex जरूरी नहीं है. That's all I'm getting at.
yeah, sympathy दिखाओ. And with this we will end the episode. You will see us next week with a new movie or a show, because Loki dropped last week, and
Mhm.
I've been following the show. I don't know if you are following, Ashish, but we will try to figure out
मैं अभी
something.
तक तो नहीं, I guess. Loki, I think I'll start. It really fascinated me because Instagram, I've seen like way too many posts. Like
It's
recently, just like 2 days, man, I
Mhm.
have seen way too many Loki posts on literally everyone's stories. So
it's
like there's some
good.
sort of a hype surrounding it.
It's really good. Like if you see the other MCU shows like WandaVision or Falcon and the Winter Soldier, उसमें
Mhm.
थोड़ा टाइम लगा बिल्डअप होने में, बट लोकी इज लाइक बैंग ऑन, शुरू मतलब शुरू. एंड लाइक ओवेन विल्सन एंड टॉम हिडलसन का जोड़ी है, इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग टू
How
सी.
many episodes are we in अभी तक?
देखो अभी तो फर्स्ट एपिसोड आया है, देयर विल बी टोटल 6 एपिसोड. आई थिंक व्हाट वी कैन डू इज
So
दैट वी कैन डिस्कस एवरी एपिसोड.
yeah, that we can do that like 5 to 10 minutes ka segment रख करके, if listeners want that. Also, we can throw it up to our listeners or viewers ki what they want us to talk about in the comment section. They can interact and let us know.
बट
Our social handles will be up.
वी आर नॉट
Mhm.
एक्सपर्ट्स. we are not experts. Yeah, and we
Again.
cannot add a disclaimer at the beginning of the video because मेरे कंप्यूटर में एडिट नहीं होता है and I'm tired of this. I legit tried to add a ये क्या बोलते हैं इंस्टाग्राम का लोगो and it took me 1 hour because it was rendering for 1 hour.
Oh my god. And on that disappointing note,
We will end the episode. Bye guys.
okay, bye everyone.